Hello everybody, Kyle from Mazda Madison here, and happy Father's Day. So what I've got here is what I believe to be the ultimate dad Mazda. So what I've got here is a CX-50 Meridian edition. This one's meant to be a little bit more rugged, a little bit more designed for the outdoors. Take it fishing, take it camping, take it hiking, lots of space. The wheels designed for more off-road environments. Lots of space for kids or cargo. No compromise on safety with backup cameras, sensors, and then storage space for luggage, dogs, gear, whatever you might need. This particular one happens to have the roof platform on the top. This has a carrying capacity of about 610 pounds. So you will not find yourself needing much for space and utility. Look no further than the CX-50. Have a great weekend.